Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Citibank online. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to any preferred browser that you want and go to the URL section, and all you need to do just type citi.com and hit the enter button. This will take you right away into the home screen or main screen. Make sure to go right here, as you can see, and you'll find an open account. Go and click on that. Once you click on that, you'll find, as you can see, simplified banking with Citi. So new relationship or new to relationship customers, you can enjoy the relationship tier benefit when they open a new bank account and keep them if they meet a balance of at least $30,000 within 3 calendar months. So of course here you can just ignore that. We can either choose or choose what option do we want to open, or what account we want to open. We want a checking account, saving account, or certificate of deposits. Of course, most people open checking account, so you can go here and click on open a checking account. Of course, you can choose either regular checking or access checking, depending on whatever you want. You can see as an example the benefits of that, and why you want to, or what exactly you want to choose. For me, I'll just choose regular chicken, click on open an account, and here are the steps of filling up your information. So of course, if you don't want to do this online, you can go and find any of their branches and they'll do the same steps with you on site. So as an example, you'll have to fill up your personal information, then activate your or enter your ID verification, employment income, set up online access, and then agreements. Agree, of course, to the agreements and disclosure. Then transfer any funds to your bank account so you can use it wherever you want. And that's how you basically sign up to a Citibank online. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.